and welcome to Afrihost Answers. Today I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain in CWP. Open your internet browser and navigate to clientzone.afrihost.com. Log into ClientZone with your username and password. Select the Hosting tab. Then select the domain you want to create a subdomain for. Select Website Manager and then click Login to Website Manager. Once in CWP, scroll down to Domains. Under Domains, select Subdomains. Then click on Add a new subdomain at the top. Fill in the new subdomain name and you will see the path will be auto-generated below. Then click Add a new subdomain. The new subdomain created will be added to the list of subdomains. You have now successfully created a subdomain in CWP.
Hi, John, CEO of Afrihost here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you found it useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment below. And if you want more how-tos and tutorials like this one, please visit answers.afrihost.com.